This is how we made The Sound of Violet, Day 9.
So I haven't met a lot of actresses in Seattle.
It's a small community.
Huh.
How long have you two been friends?
Colin is my brother.
A very protective brother.
This is Zoka Coffee. This is a working coffee shop. We had to film when the coffee shop was actually open. Had everyone sign releases, but then we had to ask everyone to be quiet right as we're about to film the scenes. It was pretty crazy. And everyone was, except for one woman. We just refused to stop talking. So we had to always wait, and it got super awkward. This is one of my favorite shots in the movie, where we're getting inside of his head and seeing him just gazing at wedding pictures, dreaming of the day where that will be him.